Oh fuck, yeah. I was like just looking at it.
Yes. And
Yes! Yes! Sandy's up a cliff. Yes!
Oh shit, lads.
Ah!
Fucking some hunter, like a fast hunter, one fucking person.
I'm building the earth. I didn't talk to you. What the fuck are you talking about? Mechanics?
You said something to me? You're like,
he doesn't know what they are.
What's a mechanic? I like the iBoss.
I like the Scott.
What's up?
Camouflage. This way.
Camouflage.
Suck my fucking dick.
And camouflage.
Oh fucking hell.
It tells you like 4 minutes. What
I know, but I just disengaged as it was like coming up. So I didn't fucking die. Fucking Mongo.
Interrupt. Please interrupt this guy. Hello.
I got knocked up.
Are you guys fucking...
I died.
Can't interrupt him and say that.
I also died. You said interrupt that, so I pressed F, but I was targeting on.
They are. They're 3% upgrade actually.
Oh my god.
But the IS
Why are you trading me, you dumb fanny?